Hey everyone, welcome to Crypto Corner. I'm Alex, your guide to the wild world of digital money.
And I'm Jordan, here to break it down without the headache. Today, we're talking BankSocial BSL for short. It's like banking meets superheroes, but with blockchain. If you're new to crypto, don't worry. We'll explain it like you're 5, or at least like you're not a tech wizard yet.
Yeah, no hold bombshells without a translator. So Jordan, what's the big idea behind BankSocial?
Picture this. Regular banks? Boring, fee-heavy, and they own you. BankSocial flips that. It's built on Hedera, a super fast blockchain that's like the Usain Bolt of crypto networks. No crazy fees, eco-friendly, and handles thousands of transactions per second. BSL is their magic token that lets you lend, borrow, stake for rewards, and even vote in a DAO, which is basically a digital club where members decide the rules.
Whoa, slow down, newbie alert. Staking? That's like putting your money in a savings account that earns extra crypto goodies. And DAO? Decentralized Autonomous Organization, fancy for a group chat with voting power. BankSocial's all about you owning the bank, like a credit union on steroids. In 2024, they got the green light from the big bosses at NCUA to launch the first regulated Web3 credit union. That's huge. It's like crypto getting a hall pass from the government.
They're teaming up with over 70% of U.S. credit unions, using Google Cloud for the tech backbone, and even chatting with Ripple's XRP crew for global money zips. Imagine spending crypto at the store with their carbon card, digital or plastic, earning rewards like points on steroids. It's cooperative banking. We own it, we run it, no Wall Street overlords.
Led by CEO John Wingate, who pitched this at Davos 2025, like the fancy global leaders party. He calls it financial equity for the people. Their wallet apps upgrading with super secure biometrics. Think Face ID for your crypto keys. Roadmaps packed. Tokenize real stuff like houses or art. Seamless fiat to crypto swaps. If it delivers, BSL could skyrocket.
Moon, Alex for newbies. That's crypto slang for price going way up. But let's keep it real. Crypto's not all rainbows. John Wingate's a hustler with a wild resume. Real estate flips, energy drinks, past crypto tokens like Kishuinu. Some say those were more hype than delivery, and there was drama with SafeMoon. Remember that fraud case? Plus, 400K hiccup in their DAO lending pool last year. No one's in jail, but it's a yellow flag.
Yeah, like dating a charmer with ex-drama. Wingate's got the vision, but community whispers say proceed with caution. DYOR. Do your own research, folks. Read the white paper, their project blueprint, check DAO votes, and follow X for updates. Don't bet the farm, start small.
Spot on. BankSocials at big events like Consensus and SEC Talks, pushing boundaries. BSL's deflationary, meaning supply shrinks as you use it, potentially boosting value. For newbies, it's a bet on everyday banking going blockchain, safer, faster, fairer.
So, is BankSocial the future? It could be, if they nail the trust part. New to crypto? Grab a free wallet, learn the basics, and join the convo.
Exactly. Drop questions in the comments. Own the bank, but smartly. Thanks for tuning in. See you next time on Crypto Corner.